tried the new snow wash, snow car wash, new cash station.
No, yet I some TikToks.
I tried it, negotiated it, mask with from a regular wash.
Real. What's so special about?
Well, they use things now like food, rubber, mortar, what do you think about this foam instead of just butter and snow?
I think it could as long as it can defend you.
Yeah, I think I can say feel in your opinion, is it better than traditional fabric?
I'm not sure that I need to feel it is.
You saw it only takes about 15 minutes.
Yes, friends, I like very service.
And it's not too expensive.
Do you some for a particular value?
I think so they say the food is general and eco-friendly.
Yes, of course.
One attractive is event together.
Sure. Just it is so